Hello. To continue with the practical demonstration of MS Excel. Now we are going to see something called charts. Charts in MS Excel. Okay. Now you can see I have already kept one ready for you. What do you see in this chart? You can see some data plotted. What are the data? I have chosen few superheroes, you see. And in a group of say people, students maybe, or people, we have taken this random sample, how many of them like which ones. So the popularity rate has been put in here. You see, this chart is made from these data. I will show you how to make the chart, but before that let me show you another small thing. If I take this one and if I reduce the value even further, do you know what will happen in the chart? Just make a guess. You see, the chart has got a change. And even if I make a change in another data, if I make this different, you see what will happen in the chart. Did you notice that now the most popular has changed from what was the previous most popular? Right? Now, this is how a chart is created. And from your maths knowledge, you must have understood. I have changed the size of the chart. You must have understood the importance of a chart because it can depict what is the impact on the data. Right. So, I can reduce the size of the chart also if I want by clicking on the corners. Okay. Now, another thing is I will delete this once and I can make it once again for you so that you can also see the steps and do on your own. Okay. In order to do that, I will select the data first. First, you have to write the data. Then I go to Insert. Under Insert, you will see this recommended charts and some charts, tablets, corners also present, whichever you would like. So I am choosing recommended charts, and you see there are two recommendations. These all are recommendations. This is one clustered column. There are many other charts. You can choose on your own will from any of the options present here, right? So you can see pie chart. There are so many varieties of pie chart. You can even see this kind of pie. You can even see this kind of donut kind. This is a colorful ring like. You can even see solid pie. You can see 3D pie. So in this way, if I choose this one for you, you will see another chart will appear. And this chart, do you remember when do you get to see these kind of charts on TV? In the voting season, when the political parties have their share of votes, and slowly some parties win, some parties lose, some parties give minimum and maximum. And when you will click on this chart, you will see this chart style will come for helping you. Okay, so if you click on it, this is one way where the name of the superhero is coming. You can have another way where the popularity percentage is coming. You can have a fade one, you can have a bright one, you can have with black background, you can have dotted lines all around. Right, so these all are designer ones. This is a disc like, this is a one with 3D kind of effect, kind of little bit. Okay, so in this way, I am showing you one by one quite a few charts to you. Okay. From one chart style, you also have the option to go to another chart style. For that, you will have to click on the chart anywhere and then you can choose change chart type. If you click on change chart type, you will get the option of how to choose from other charts. So I can choose, this time I have chosen this bar chart. Okay, I could have chosen column, I can choose bar. Okay, I can choose other designs. There are many designs possible, and I'm showing you these so that when I give you one more example like question, you should be able to do it and you should be able to present it nicely. So this is another way of representing the same information. There can be other chart types also. Now all the other types whichever is present here is for you to test. You can test all of them. You see, there's something called line, there's something called dot, there's something called, this one funny name, the name is waterfall, but it will not be much of applicable to you now. These are for higher classes when you become very knowledgeable person, and when you see them for reference, slowly you will get usage of these also. Okay, so right now at the introduction level they are not much applicable, so we will restrict ourselves to up to bar. So column, line, pie and bar, these four are meaningfully at the introduction level. Okay, so you can click on any one of them, choose any one of the styles, 2D, 3D, and then you can apply it and you can see what the chart looks like. Okay,